Hello everyone, my name is Akshat and continuing with hashtag GViswanathan's challenge, question number I think it's 12. So this question is pretty easy. Roman to integer, basically we have to convert from no Roman integers to normal decimal integers. Well, this is the easy level question. Just given that this represents this much value, this represents this much value, and so on and so forth till m. The I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. There are two conditions. First of all, obviously this represents respectively values, whereas if V and X is preceded by I, or X is basically preceded by L and C is preceded by D and M, then these values are going to come, which basically means if there is a 1 and a V, then there should be answer is 4, means 1 less than 5, or 1 less than 10, whereas if there's an X preceded by 50, then it should be 50 minus 10, and so forth. So to solve this question, I did just two things. First, I created for loop with as dot to char array. Then there's three conditions to actually mimic these three conditions. Very simple. Subtracting twice what was supposed to, because this is adding compulsorily here. Anyways, then we are appending this last character, which is a character before the current character. This simple code will run and answer will come. I just submitted actually this code, and 10 October 2038. So yeah, this is the question is done, and I will post few more questions. So thank you for today.